Hey, I wanted to talk to you about getting students to learn content, or in my case, I'm a geometry teacher, and to learn theorems or to learn dates or something like that. Our students love music, and I wanted to tell you about this super cool app. It's called Ditty. Ditty, and I'm actually going to play the little video for you real fast so you can kind of see it.
Ditty sings whatever you text. Pick a song you love.
We don't let and jail.
Add video.
We don't let and jail. We direct and jail. We direct and jail. We direct and jail. We direct.
Ditty. Make every message a hit.
So the app is actually designed just for teenage fun, but I actually use it in my classroom. So I want to show you one that I've done. And again, I teach geometry, and I didn't do a different, like I didn't do live video, but just check it out for a second. So you'll notice that my ditty was about the exterior angle theorem in geometry. The two interior angles equal the exterior. And it's super cool to put that into your digital lessons, and it gives them something fun to kind of think about and talk about. It's really very cool. And you can see that it'll sum up for you exactly what it said. So what Ditty does is it makes a link, and you can post it into your Google lessons. So my name is Linda Moore, and I teach a self-paced Google class for teachers to learn how to make meaningful digital lessons. So if you're interested in my class, click the link.